Recently, on social media, an alert news was floating. Perhaps US President Donald Trump had directed that his Slovenian-bottom wife and children be deported. While sources tell that US President has not issued such like directions. So much so that it was whirled on social media by some account on Facebook that the Supreme Court has made a ruling whereby the president went bent to issue directions to deport his family. This news spread when, on the 11th of July 2025, a video appeared on social media, Facebook, wherein it was shown that the US Supreme Court has issued such directions. It was captioned like this: "The US Supreme Court has just ordered President Donald Trump to deport his wife and children." However, it appeared that the voiceover was AI generated. This voice also claimed that the court held that the grandparents of Trump and Melania, grandparents came to America without proper documentation and illegally. On the other hand, neither the US Supreme Court nor Trump has done.has been claimed in the video. It is also not a logical view that Trump would issue directions against his .in family. It also appears fake about that the US Supreme Court has held an order against the acting US president. So much so that in another AI-generated video, it was shown that Trump was sitting on bed and saying he had been diagnosed with pancreatic cancer. That video is also a dirty tactic to spread fake news. Basically, since the inception of AI technology, fake voiceover has been used to portray it if a person was saying which, actually he has not said. Recently, so many fake AI-generated photos and videos were made to show chaos claimed to be happened in Pahalgam in Indian-occupied Kashmir. It was claimed that the same was planned and done by neighboring country Pakistan. These all photos and videos were proved to be fake. There must international and national limitations about the AI-generated images and videos if same touch the boundaries and limitations about a person, his life, privacy and his family, and if disturbs or affects the policy and politics as well economics of a sovereign country for the purpose of ulterior motives. During recent flood situation in Texas, an AI-generated video was made on social media wherein Texas Governor Greg Abbott was claimed to adhere with the deportation policy, ICE, for the illegal Mexican immigrants who crossed the border during recent flood for help. Such like AI-generated images and videos are responsible panic situations in the whole of the world. On the other hand, several apps are floating online to fix the face of a person on obnoxious photos and videos with AI-generated similar sounds and voices. Such stuff is used to blackmail innocent people, especially women, elder people and children. Thanks for watching this video. Please share your comments.